All right, so for number 8 here, I'm going to replace the sine of 2x part with a 2 sine x cosine x. All right, that's my identity part. Plus 2 sine of x. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to divide by 2. So if I divide everything by 2, it's just going to cancel those 2's out right there. So this is going to give me 3 sine cosine plus sine equals 0. And then I'll factor out a sine from both halves here. All right, so the left half, that'll give me a 3 cosine plus. And then if I factor out a sine there, it'll give me a 1. All right, set these things equal to 0 and solve for x. All right, for sine to equal 0, that's going to happen at 0 degrees and 180, or 0 and pi. And then for this one, I'm going to have to take 3 cosine plus 1. I'll move the 1 over and then divide by 3. So I get cosine equals negative 1/3. And for this, you're going to have to use your arc cosine. So cosine inverse of negative 1/3 is what I'm pressing here on the calculator. Negative 1/3. All right, so this is going to give me, my first answer that it gives me is 109.5 degrees, which is about right there. So there's going to be one other angle where cosine is negative 1/3 as well. And it's going to be in the third quadrant. So remember, cosines are x values. So what I need is this angle right here, whatever that is. All right, so the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to pick up from where I left off. All right, so if this is 109, then this little red section, the part that connects it to the x-axis, that's going to be 180 minus that 109 bit. So that's about 70.5. 70.5. And I need to add that 70.5 because that's from the x-axis to the angle that I'm interested in is also that 70.5. So to get my second answer over here, it's going to be 180 plus 70.5, which is 250.5. Awesome. All right, there's my 4 answers right there. Cool.